the celestial reward. In the sacred times, when Bàbá Èjìogbè prepared to embark on his journey to earth, he knelt on his left knee and prayed earnestly to Olofin, the supreme deity. Bàbá Èjìogbè asked for the honor of being a compassionate and pious priest dedicated to serving humanity. Olofin listened and marked a ritual, Ebo, for him, instructing him to perform it and take 2 of Olofin's daughters, Ejiogbe Meyi, as his wives to help him prosper and establish himself on earth. But Ejiogbe, overwhelmed by impatience, decided to set off alone without performing the ritual. Arrival on earth. Upon reaching earth, Bàbá Èjìogbè established himself and began practicing Ifa with extraordinary humility. He provided his spiritual services entirely free of charge, helping anyone in need. His first 2 disciples, Òṣé Túrá and Òg, Ròsó, joined him in his mission. Together, they created a new precedent, serving the community without charging fees for their divine guidance. This altruistic behavior stirred discontent among the elder priests, who sent complaints to Olofin, accusing Ejiogbe, Òṣé Túrá, and Òg, Ròsó of undermining tradition by not charging for their services. They claimed the trio was trying to monopolize the devotion of the people. A mission of miracles. In truth, Bàbá Èjìogbè and his disciples were selflessly serving humanity, performing miraculous acts of healing and progress. They aided infertile women, restored sight to the blind, helped the paralyzed walk, and cared for children, never accepting anything in return. Their work inspired faith, hope, and unity among the people. Hearing the accusations and curious about the truth, Olofin sent an angel to investigate the matter. The angel descended to earth, observing Ejiogbe and his disciples closely. The angel saw their tireless service, helping those in need with no expectation of compensation. Moved by their dedication, the angel embraced all 3 and brought them before Olofin in the heavens. The divine trial. When Ejiogbe, Òṣé Túrá, and Òg, Ròsó appeared before Olofin, they knelt, ready to explain their actions. But before they could speak, the angel intervened, defending them. These priests have done no wrong. They serve humanity selflessly, embodying the purest intentions. It is their humility and generosity that trouble the elders. Olofin listened carefully. First, he scolded the trio gently. While your intentions are noble, you cannot continue offering your services entirely free. Balance is necessary, for even in service, a structure must exist. Then, as a sign of favor and reward for their devotion, Olofin gifted each of them 2 sacred calabashes. These calabashes held all the secrets of creation and would transform into wives of Ifa during initiation ceremonies, ensuring the teachings of Ifa could expand across the earth. A legacy of service. With this divine reward, Bàbá Èjìogbè, Òṣé Túrá, and Òg, Ròsó returned to earth, continuing their mission. They served humanity while maintaining the balance instructed by Olofin, teaching through their example of humility and devotion. Through their efforts, Ifa became a beacon of guidance for communities, spreading wisdom, healing, and spiritual growth worldwide. The sacred calabashes remained as eternal symbols of their divine purpose and Olofin's blessing. Final note. To this day, any Awo, priest, whose destiny aligns with these sacred signs, Itefa or Odun of Olofin, must possess 2 foundations of Olofin as a testament to their role in serving their community. This legacy ensures the spirit of Bàbá Èjìogbè and his disciples lives on, inspiring all to serve with faith and humility.